Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your membership in with Quizlet. So let's get straight into it. Now we are in the main page here in the Quizlet, and what we need to do now is head over here at the top right corner where you see your icon, so profile icon, and then let's go to the settings. And really, first one thing, you will see the subscription. So we have now Quizlet Plus Unlimited. So let's go here where you see this yellow manage button. So if you click right here, now what we can do, you see here cancel automatic renewal. So if I click here, just like that, are you sure you want to cancel Quizlet Plus Unlimited? Then you have here what we will lose access to. So if you are okay with that, just click cancel subscription. Now what we need to do, let's say like that. So we need to answer to the question, and also you need to know that you will have access to your Quizlet Plus benefits to the end. And yeah, this is basically it. So we have now cancelled this membership with Quizlet. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.